Everyone, thank you for clicking on our link. Today I will be doing a unboxing of the 468 LED wall lights. So I have it right here. It's two in the box. It's a pair of lights. Here we go. So what we have here, we have the 270 degrees wall light. 270 mean that lights will shine from the side, the front, on the other side here. This is the Sunshine City brand. Look closely, you see Sunshine City brand right there. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Comes with screw and also tapes that you can use to affix to the wall. If you don't want to screw it onto the wall, you can always use the two-sided tapes. Seems strong to me. And there is a user manual as well. So these lights are good to place around your premises, for example, against your wall, your fence, patio, just about any little area that you want to light up. There are 468 LED lights. You can see them there. They are very close together. These are the smaller ones. Power on, cover the panel so you can see the brightness. So this is a stay on mode. When you press the power button again, it will go into the dim mode. It will remain dim. When someone passes by, it will get super bright. And then you have mode 3, which is motion. So only when someone comes there, it will come on and it will turn off automatically when there is no movement in the area. I will place in the description a video showing you how the lights operate at night. Same thing with this one. Stay on mode, dim mode, get bright when someone passes by, and this is a straight motion mode. I want you to also realize that at the front right here, this white ball is what pick up the person or pick up movement in the area. So it is a sensor. So it's not a button for you to press. The button to be pressed right next to the sensor ball, which is here. And this is a solar panel. This is actually a very good panel as well. And the light itself is IP67. So it is waterproof and dustproof. So you don't have to worry about rainwater getting into the light. It's very secure. So the lumens on these are actually 1000 lumens. So it's very bright enough to cover 2-car space. If you have 2 cars in the front yard, one of these would be good enough to cover that space. But bear in mind, on motion 1, which is the stay on mode, you'll get less lighting in that mode. It will be about 30% of the light capabilities. And the second mode, which is the dim to bright mode, it will remain dim, so it will be dim in about 20% of the light. Then it will get super bright to the full capability of the light. And mode 3, which is the motion mode, it will operate to 100% once movement is detected. So again, let us do it again. So this is power off, power on. So this is a stay on mode, meaning that it will stay on from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in that mode. Mode 2, it is dim. Now if I move my fingers, it gets very bright. So it will be in 20% of the light and then get super bright to 100% of the light capability. Then mode 3, it will just stay on to 100%. When there's no movement, it will just automatically turn off. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video. Thank you very much.